Usually, friends, breathing is a spontaneous process and without awareness it takes place. But there are category of the patients who have to fight for taking even normal breath. And today I am sharing a story of such a patient suffering from pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. In short, it is called PAP disease.
मेरा नाम दीपा तारानी है। मैं दिसंबर तक तो सही चल रही थी। उसके बाद मेरी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो गई। फिर हमारे हस्बैंड को किसी ने डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र सिंह का नाम बताया। फिर हम उधर दिखाने आए तो उन्होंने कहा कि इनका तो लंग्स का वॉश होगा।
ये मेरी पत्नी दीपा जो काफ़ी समय से बीमार चली थी। 2 साल से मैं बहुत चिंतित था अगर हो गया कैसे। पहले अस्थमा का इलाज भी चला, लेकिन शायद मेरी मंजिल ये राजस्थान हॉस्पिटल ही थी।
Mrs. Tarani presented to me with severe difficulty in breathing, which had increased over the past 4 years. And since the past 1 year, she was even having difficulty in doing her day-to-day activities. She had been previously diagnosed to have pulmonary alveolar proteinosis on a biopsy. She had previously taken corticosteroid therapy, to which she had no improvement, and she was currently on GM-CSF, on which she was not improving.
Normally, when we take breath, air travels through windpipe, then goes into smaller windpipe, and ultimately it ends into a globular sac, and that sac is called alveoli, where oxygen goes inside the blood and blood carbon dioxide enters in the alveoli. In PAP, what happens? A protein material gets deposited in sac, that is alveoli, and breathing becomes difficult. As disease progresses, this protein material gets more and more accumulated, and such a patient find it is difficult to take breath because almost whole alveoli is filled with protein material.
In case of Mrs. Tarani, a cryolung biopsy was suggestive of proteinaceous material in the alveoli, which was diagnostic of pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. The treatment of pulmonary alveolar proteinosis depends on the severity of the disease. In cases of mild pulmonary alveolar proteinosis, we can simply observe the patient. Many of my cases are under observation and they do not require any intervention. In cases of moderate to severe pulmonary alveolar proteinosis, a whole lung lavage is the ideal treatment.
This is the X-ray of the patient before doing the whole lung lavage, and this is the X-ray of the patient after the procedure. As you can see in this X-ray, there are lots of white patches. These white patches are signifying the alveoli filled with protein material. And after the procedure, as you can see here in the X-ray, the white patches have been replaced by black ones, signifying that the protein material that was filling the alveoli has been taken out.
यहाँ राजस्थान हॉस्पिटल और इसके सारे स्टाफ हैं, सीतू सर हैं, वीरेंद्र सर, इनकी सारी टीम को, मधुर सर वगैरह, इनको एनेस्थीसिया वाले भारद्वाज जी, उनको बहुत मैं बधाई देता हूँ और इनका मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ जिन्होंने मेरे धर्मपत्नी दीपा को एक नया जीवन दान दिया।